Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle their entire lives? Is it luck, fate, or something else? The truth is, attracting wealth isn't about working harder. It's about thinking smarter. Today, we're going to break down the science behind money attraction and how you can start using it in your life today. The first step to attracting wealth effortlessly is understanding that money is energy. Everything in the universe operates on frequencies, including wealth. Your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions all emit energy, which either attracts or repels money. If you constantly think about lack, debt, and financial stress, you are unknowingly pushing money away. But when you shift your mindset to abundance, you naturally start drawing wealth toward you. One of the most powerful principles of attracting money is the law of attraction. This principle states that like attracts like. If you focus on financial growth, opportunities, and success, you will begin to notice more of them in your life. Scientific studies on neural pathways show that our brains develop patterns based on repeated thoughts. If you repeatedly think about wealth and success, your brain starts recognizing opportunities that align with that reality. Visualization is a crucial part of this process. Highly successful people like Jim Carrey, Oprah Winfrey, and Elon Musk have used visualization to attract wealth. When you vividly imagine yourself achieving financial success, feeling the emotions, seeing the details, and believing it's possible, you reprogram your subconscious mind to accept wealth as your new reality. Studies show that the brain cannot differentiate between real and vividly imagined experiences. So if you can see yourself wealthy in your mind, your actions will align with that vision. Another scientific principle behind wealth attraction is the reticular activating system, or RAS. The RAS is a part of your brain that filters information and focuses only on what's important. If you program your mind to look for wealth-building opportunities, your RAS will start highlighting them in your daily life. This is why some people seem to be lucky with money. It's not luck. It's their brain recognizing opportunities that others ignore. Gratitude is another key factor in attracting wealth effortlessly. The more grateful you are for the money and opportunities you already have, the more you create a positive frequency that attracts even more abundance. Neuroscientists have found that practicing gratitude rewires the brain to focus on abundance rather than scarcity. When you start your day by expressing gratitude for what you have, you set a positive tone that makes wealth attraction easier. Successful people also follow specific daily habits that align them with financial abundance. They manage their money wisely, make strategic investments, and develop multiple income streams. They understand that wealth is not just about earning, it's about growing and sustaining money. If you want to attract wealth, start by automating your savings, investing in assets that appreciate over time, and eliminating financial habits that drain your resources. Taking action is one of the most crucial steps in attracting money. While mindset and visualization are powerful, they must be combined with real-world effort. Millionaires and billionaires don't just think about wealth, they take massive action toward financial success. They learn about money, develop skills, and surround themselves with people who inspire and challenge them. Your financial reality is a reflection of your beliefs, habits, and actions. If you want to attract wealth effortlessly, you must rewire your mind, develop success-driven habits, and take action every single day. The science of money is not a secret, it's a strategy that anyone can apply. The question is, are you ready to start using it? If you found this valuable, like this video, subscribe for more content, and comment below. What's one money-attracting habit you'll start implementing today?